Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my herb and kitchen gardens. Today I will harvest a lot of vegetables and greens from my garden and prepare a full dinner. My dinner will include appetizers, a soup and a hot dish, maybe two. For my dinner, I would like to do a few appetizers. One of them will be salad with celtuce. I also have a video and I will leave a link above how to make this salad. And this is the stalk of this green vegetable that is used. Let me try to pull it out. I had to use a little shovel to help myself to dig it out. So I successfully dig it out. So this thick stalk I will be using for my salad. And again, watch the recipe with the link that I left before. For my second salad, I will need a beetroot and a few carrots. Now I need to grab some carrots. I believe I have enough carrots. They are not that big, but a good size. Some of them, for example, this one, but it's enough for my salad. And now I will cut sprigs of various mints that I have and do a lemonade. And I will leave a link above about the video where I do various types of lemonades. My summer lemonade made with mints and other herbs such tarragon, pineapple sage and so forth. This is rutabaga or swede, a very popular root vegetable, and it's popular in England, not so much in the United States. In one of my past videos I showed you how I prepared a soup following the Gordon Ramsay recipe, and I will leave a link above. And today I will do very similar version of this soup. Let me dig a few roots. Here I see very good candidates for my soup. This is the first root. This root is so close to the wall of the garden bed, so I will try to pull it out as well. I have 3 good roots. Maybe I will dig one more. I found another root that is not that small, so I will dig it out now. Right here. This is my harvest for the soup, rutabaga roots and beets and carrots and celtuce for 2 salads. My 2 appetizers are ready. Rutabaga and cardamom soup came out so tasty. It's full of flavors, and cardamom really adds an interesting kick to the soup, and other flavors as well. And all my vegetables play the role so that the soup is wonderful. And I added, of course, chicken and the chicken broth. For my appetizer table, I will harvest a few cucumbers, more cucumbers there. I will also harvest peppers, tomatoes. I need greens as well, shiso, mizuna, basil leaves, this beautiful variety of basil, celery, and other green vegetables. This is my harvest of vegetables, peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, mizuna, and many other green vegetables. These two plates feature the vegetables that I just picked from my garden. Cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and all green peppers topped with a crumbled cheese and spices. Here I have mizuna, celery, and stuffed eggs on vegetables, decorated with small tomatoes. Today I will also have some summer squash patty pans. This one and that one, the huge one. This beautiful summer squash is ready to be harvested and cooked. With this portion of my harvest, I will do main dishes. I cut my squash into halves and scoop out the insides, very small seeds. And this is how I prepare my halves. Now I will mix the insides of the squash, and maybe I will saute it a little bit with the mincemeat, and I will also prepare it or semi-prepared it before, and with rice, spices, greens, and mushrooms. And then I will stuff my halves with this mixture. This is the dish with a stuffed squash. And the main dish looks very good, and it tastes also wonderfully. This is patty pan summer squash. I sauteed, and this is a piece of my stuffed squash. And as garnish, I used flowers of my herbs and vegetables. Yellow flowers of cabbage, purple flowers of basil, dill flowers, and marjoram flowers, and finally the flowers of winter savory. As a part of my dessert table, I offer berries that I pick today in the morning. There are 12 varieties, and I did a segment, and I will leave a link to this video about these types of berry I harvest these days from my garden. Peaches that we picked at the farm. I also have a video on this visit to the local farm. My dinner is ready, and as you see, I did appetizers and soup and main dishes using my green vegetables, herbs, and root vegetables and tomatoes and peppers to prepare my dinner. I am so happy and proud of my kitchen garden and my herb garden. But most of all, I am grateful and thankful to our Mother Nature, who provides all these great varieties of plants and vegetables to make our life happier and our food very tasty, delicious, with variety of options to cook. All these plants are not only tasty but beautiful. When they bloom, when they have all these shades of greens, all these varieties of tomatoes, cucumbers and peppers. In my future videos I will show you the varieties of cucumbers and peppers and tomatoes I grow in my garden. So join me for my future videos.